So, you've been thinking about a new vehicle, huh? But all this talk about tariffs has you a little confused? Well, of course it does. The details change almost daily. Is now a good time, or should we wait? It's all very confusing. Well, here's a little clarity from the Sunset Auto family. Every single vehicle currently in stock or in transit at any Sunset dealership is completely unaffected by these tariffs. Not by one penny. And although we can't control tariffs, Sunset can make sure you have a financing plan to keep your payments low. Sunset calls it payment relief. In conjunction with Sound Credit Union, Sunset is offering financing as low as 3.99% on new and used vehicles. Or extend the term and get an unbelievable 4.99% rate for up to 72 months for your lowest possible payments. Plus, you'll have no payments for 90 days and you won't have to worry about tariffs or rising interest rates for years. And of course, you always get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every qualifying vehicle. Payment relief. Nothing confusing about that. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.